You'll need to turn in a couple of pictures of your painted house. Here's some names for these files. So I'm going to go ahead and copy that first one before I even download the PNG. It does need to be a downloaded PNG that's 1920 by 1080 with a transparent background. Let's take a look at the house here. Would like you to do a couple things. One is to hide the axis. Remember, now we are just searching for the axis, and then you can see that view turned off. If you have any additional bits and pieces, let's not have those in the image either. We're going to position the house so we can see as much of it as possible. This is the interesting side, so don't download a picture like that. So let's get as much of it in there as we can and go to download a PNG. And this allows us to finish positioning it without the panels and stuff in the way. Remember, the width should be 1080. When you click somewhere else, it'll resize it, and then you'll do your final touches, and don't forget to make it a transparent background. That looks pretty good. Let's export it, really downloading as a PNG, and let's go give it a better name. I did copy that name, so I'm going to paste it in here and do my name. You do yours. I'm going to drag that over to my 3D modeling project folder, which is up here in OneDrive. Whoops. So I'm just going to drag it over there. Now the next one is going to be a detail shot. You can copy that name, but this is the angle. You can try and get this as close to it as possible, because from this one position, this one picture, I'll be able to see quite a bit. So get the corner of the window. You could even get a little closer if you're careful about the angle. And you can see, I can see the trim. I can see how your door looks with the door frame. I can get a good look at your texture here. And importantly, you've got this window here. Make sure these colors are not the same, so that we can really see the detail on your window, showing off the hard work that went into that. So let's download this one. Download PNG, change this to 1080, and make sure you have a transparent background. Don't want that green in there. And then make final touches at getting these things in there. If you have a doorknob, maybe go a little bit higher. Export as a PNG. Since we moved the other one, it won't try to override it. But we're going to do the same thing here. We're going to change the name. Add the word detail. This is the required image. And your name. Dragging it to the 3D modeling project folder, so it's very easy to turn those two in. If you have extra stuff, I don't have much in here, but some of you have a nice window here, doorknobs, security panels. Go ahead and zoom in and get some of those details. Download that again. You can put detail doorknob, detail security pad, detail 2, 3, 4, whatever you want to do to really show off your house. You're going to use these on your portfolio, so might as well download them now.